So this is what we're using today. DecoArt Americana Premium Paint Cerulean Blue, Camion Yellow Hue, Quinacridone Red, and then we're using DecoArt's Pouring Medium, and we are using this. So we are going to use DecoArt's instructions, which says that you 1 ounce of paint and 3 ounces of the Pouring Medium. Using this gadget for the first time, and I put the same paints that I used before, but I tried to make the white a tiny bit more fluid than it was before. Still not too fluid, but it's alright. Okay, let's start with the blue. So I think the hard part is that center, right? I should have put this on one of those things that goes around. So what could I do in here? Woo! Okay. Letting it do its own. It's filling it on his own. Should I help it? Maybe the only color that I have left is the white. Okay, let's go. Okay, so now I am going to roll the marble, of course, because you know there's nothing else in here. So let's roll the marble, but I'm gonna put clean gloves, okay, to do that. Whoa, come on. Okay, let's have fun with the marble. Why not? Maybe instead of the marble, should I play with that stick? Okay, let's use the stick. Wow, this one seems to be larger, so I'm gonna put 2 in here. One more. Okay. Should I still use the marble? I don't know, maybe the stick again, but this time I don't know, it looks pretty. Just gonna finish the edges, move it, and we should torch it. I don't know what's gonna happen if I torch it, but let's help it finishing here. And I'm going to put something in the center. Oop, it has to still pour on this side. Alright, well, let's continue with that stick. And this time and I'm going to do it without even thinking about it. It's your piece, you do whatever you want to, right? Well, now it's a little bit better. What do you think? This is the final result, and I think it's super pretty. So my husband thinks that looks like Southwest art, so that's what I'm gonna call it. And it is not completely in the center, but I like it because it, it's not something that is so the same. It's completely different. And see, the petals in here are smaller and this one in here are larger. And flowers are like that. Flowers, when you photograph flowers, you see depending on the angle of the photograph, some petals are gonna look smaller and some larger, and that's the angle of the flower. So I really like it.